Hey, welcome back to the channel. Here's a quick video. So this truck, I initially sandblasted the whole truck. I did a roof skin, I did cab corner, and I did door skins. So that's what you see where I stripped it all down. I want to show you something, why you should always strip down your aftermarket parts with the aftermarket primer. This door is a factory door skin, and look at all this rust underneath the factory primer. So the cab corner again, so the cab that's black, I epoxied that a while ago, but look at all this rust. This is why every time you get a factory part, an aftermarket part, you should always strip it down to bare metal, treat it, epoxy it yourself so you know what's underneath it. Never trust the factory primer.